Welcome to Focus MCQ. It's a part fourth of our Polity MCQ series, and today we bring you 10 fresh and highly important Polity MCQs for exam like UPSC, SSC, and other government exams. So make sure you attempt each question and stay till the end for quick explanations that can boost your understanding. So the first question is, which constitutional authority can recommend the dissolution of the Lok Sabha? President, Prime Minister, Chief Justice of India, Speaker of Lok Sabha. So the correct option is option A, President. The President can dissolve the Lok Sabha on the advice of the Council of Ministers, headed by Prime Minister. The concept of public interest litigation, PIL, originated in which country? UK, USA, India, or Canada? So the correct option is option B, USA. The concept of public interest litigation was first introduced in USA and later it's adopted by India. Which committee is known as the Committee of Parliament on Public Accounts? Option A, Estimates Committee, Committee on Public Undertakings, Public Accounts Committee, Business Advisory Committee. So the correct option is option C, Public Accounts Committee. The Public Account Committee scrutinizes the annual audit reports of the Comptroller and Auditor General, who appoints the Attorney General of India. Chief Justice of India, option B, Prime Minister, option C, President, or Law Minister. So the correct option is option C, President, because the Attorney General is appointed by the President under Article 76 of our Indian Constitution. And the next question is, which Indian state was the first to establish Panchayati Raj institution? Option A, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra. So the correct option is option A, Rajasthan. Rajasthan was the first state to establish Panchayati Raj institution in Nagaur district on 2 October 1959. Under which article can the President of India grant pardons? Article 72, Article 74, Article 76, or Article 78? So the correct option is option A, Article 72. Article 72 empowers the President to grant pardons, reprieves, respites, or remissions of punishment. Which amendment is related to the lowering of the voting age from 21 years to 18 years? Option A, 42nd Amendment, 44th Amendment, 61st Amendment, 73rd Amendment. So the correct option is option C, 61st Amendment. The 61st Amendment Act 1988 reduced the voting age for Lok Sabha and State Legislative Assembly election from 21 to 18 years. The next question is, the Interstate Council is formed under which article of the Constitution? Article 252, Article 263, Article 280, or Article 2312? So the correct option is option B, Article 263. The Interstate Council is established under Article 263 to promote cooperation and coordination between states. How many types of emergency are envisaged by the Indian Constitution? 1, 2, 3, or 4? So the correct option is option C3. The Constitution provides for 3 types of emergency: national emergency, and president rules, and financial emergency. The national emergency is covered under Article 352, and president rule covered under 356, and financial emergency covered under 360. Who among the following can participate in the proceeding of both the houses of parliament? Option A, Chief Justice of India, Solicitor General of India, Vice President of India, Attorney General of India. Yeah. So the correct option is option D, Attorney General of India, because the Attorney General of India has the right to speak and take part in the proceeding of both houses of parliament, but without a right to vote. That's all for today video. If you found this questions helpful, please don't forget to like and share with the other aspirants and subscribe to the channel for more such content. Also comment below how many questions you got right, and see you in the next part.